shared wisdom through the spirit of Islam. Revelation and reason, we shall excel, we shall prevail. Merging faith and knowledge with a Khalifa, we'll fulfill the Amanah. Together we make the world a better place. Forever expand the culture of Iqra.